Hey everybody, this is Kaylee with Kay's Wig Shop. Today I want to introduce you into what to expect when you come to our shop. So we are located on 30th Street in Ogden, and we're actually inside the building Deborah Lynn's. Deborah Lynn's is my mother's business, and she actually helps women going through breast cancer. She's the one who introduced me into what we do here. So when you arrive, you're gonna come in that front door and just expect to be greeted by one of our sweet receptionists, or even my sweetheart, Dan. They're gonna kind of welcome you, bring you back to our private fitting area where I'll be. We like to keep it private here so that you're feeling comfortable and welcomed and not feeling too exposed. That's one of my main goals here, is just to make sure that you're extremely comfortable and confident in this decision that we're gonna be making together. When we're here, you're gonna actually sit in this chair that I'm in as of now, and we're gonna talk about kind of what to expect when wearing hair, whether it's a topper, a hairpiece, a full wig. I'm just gonna give you an introduction on how they work and what to expect there as well. After we kind of discuss and figure out what's gonna suit your needs best, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. And we're gonna look at my selection. We're gonna pull some to the side and try them on. It's great to experience that hands-on, to know how they feel, to make sure it fits you right, to see how the texture of the hair feels. And we're gonna go over all of that in detail so that you're comfortable and confident, again, in making this decision. Keep in mind, there's tons of colors to look through. And so we also go through that together as well. I can match the color that you are, I can look for a different color, but we do that through with all of our swatches and pieces that we have in stock. Once we make our final decision, then we talk in detail about care. I'm a big believer in education on taking care of your hair. If you know what you're doing, you're gonna wear your hair more often and you're gonna feel a lot more confident with it. That's just kind of a step-by-step process of what to expect when you come to our shop. It's best if we can have an appointment. As you can imagine, that's gonna take a little bit of time. I usually schedule an hour for each consultation. So if you can go to my website, it's kswigshop.com. You can make an appointment directly right there. Or if you're more comfortable just calling over the phone, give us a ring and we can do that for you. We're open to texting, emailing, however is convenient for you. Just reach out to us, we'd be happy to help you. But I hope this is gonna help you feel a little bit more comfortable. I know this can be a scary step, but I promise when you make that decision, you're gonna feel worlds better. So thank you so much for tuning in here and hope you have a great day. Thanks.